Well, good morning, everyone. I hope you had a beautiful night. I had a wonderful night too. And I would like to share something with you this morning. Well, we all do have parents. We all do have grandparents. We all do have siblings. We all do have families, whether alive or dead. So, my main concern that I would like to share with you today is about parental responsibility. I mean, like your parents who gave birth to you are solely your responsibility. Whether they are old or they are young, they need your support, just like they supported you when you were a nobody. They brought you into this planet Earth, they took care of you, they took you to school, they struggled, they did all they could to make you the person you are today. Why are you neglecting your parents? Why are you allowing your parents die bitter people when you are busy enjoying life, driving big cars, owning huge homes, yet your parents are still sleeping on the same mattress they conceived you? Don't you think you're selfish? How about if your parents became selfish to you too? Where would you be today? Some of you even drained their parents to a situation whereby their parents sold everything for them to go overseas. They went overseas not for good, but for bad. They never came back. They never looked back. They never cared that that woman down in the village sold her land, sold all her property to make sure that their son or daughter go overseas for a greener pasture. The greener pasture has turned into greener pastures. Now your own parents are languishing in poverty back in the village. You are having it all wherever you are. Mr. Man, you are cursed. You'd be wondering why your things are not going on well. You've been wondering why the rain is hitting you from left and right. It's because you've forgotten where your blessings are coming from. Your parents. We have people who just mishandle their parents anyhowly. And let me tell you something. The pain and anger and curse of a parent doesn't go unnoticed. Be careful. Be careful while handling your parents. I mean, it's so painful that a woman can give birth to 7, 8 children and take care of all of them. But the 7, 8 children fail to take care of just that one woman. Painful. We have people showing off on social media, but they never show off their parents because their parents are a disgrace to them. They think that their parents are looking ugly for people to see because they've been brainwashed. They think that their homes are looking very ugly, they cannot show it to the world. So if you know that your home is making you feel uncomfortable, go and make it. Go and make your mother and father comfortable, just like they sweated all the way, they did all they could to make you the person you are today. Some of you will say, my parents didn't make me. No, they gave birth to you. They covered your ass. They covered your shit. They took care of you and made you the person you are today. I love my parents. And even if you are born in a family of 30, take your parent solely. Take care of your parents as if you were born alone. You will have peace. But when you start looking at, oh, my brother works in Nairobi, my brother lives in Runda, he's not doing anything for my family. What are you doing for your parents as a person? They gave birth to you on your own. You came into the world and then you were introduced to your brothers. You are not in the same stomach. Even if you're twins, you only come out one after the other. Even if it is a CS, they have to take out one and then they take out the other. Your parent is your solely responsibility. You must take care of your parents in your own little way. It hurts how you see women and fathers languish in poverty while their own children are drinking all kinds of of labels, black label, red label, blue label, and all kind of things, which is even costing 20,000 shillings. Yet, just an iron sheet is maybe 600 shillings per piece. I don't know, I forgot the price. Please, if you have your parents and they're still alive, take care of your parents because you are going to miss them when they're no longer there. I am happy my grandfather died a very happy person, knowing that he is loved and is still loved until today. So, do not look at your siblings. Do not look at the people around you. Your parents are your solely responsibility. You have to take care of your parents, whether you like it or not. They are your parents, and that is why we give birth early, so that your children grow and they are able to take care of you when you are old. And if you don't have time to take care of your parents, then register your parents into an old age home. So we have some people who, whenever their parents want to come and visit them, they go like, she will come here, she will disturb us, because you're not giving them what they want. We even have some people who call their parents so all kinds of names. I know there are parents who are very difficult to deal with, but find their way. They've finished living their life. Please escort them in peace. Collect your blessings. Don't care about your brothers. Don't care about your sister. Don't care about what other siblings are doing. Imagine you are born on your own and you will have that peace of mind. Take care of your parents as if you were born alone, and you will thank me later. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. God bless you, and let's keep the positive spirit running, and meet you tonight at 9 o'clock with the Women Empowerment. Meet together with Dayo Musa all the way from Nigeria, Lekki Phase 1, and God bless you so much. And during this COVID-19 moments, please send your mother money. Send your mother or your parents or your grandparents shopping. Do not forget them. They're also on the lockdown and they depend on you. God bless you. I love you.